What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized network based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a disparate network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrency is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. Understanding cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency are systems that allow for the secure payment online which are denominated in terms of virtual token which are represented by ledger entries internal to the system. Crypto refers to the various encryption algorithm and cryptographic technique that safeguard these entries, such as elliptical curve encryption, public-private key pairs, and hashing functions. Now, types of cryptocurrency. The first blockchain-based cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which still remains the most popular and most valuable. Today, there are thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies with various functions and specifications. Some of these are clones or forks of Bitcoin, which others are new currencies that were built from scratch. Some of the competing cryptocurrencies powered by Bitcoin success known as Litecoin, Faircoin and Namecoin as well as Ethereum, Cardano. Today the aggregate value of all the cryptocurrencies is existence is around $251.8 billion. Advantage cryptocurrency hold the promise of making it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties without the need for a trusted third party like a bank or credit card company. These transfers are instead secured by the use of public keys and private keys and different forms of incentive system like proof of work and proof of stake. In modern cryptocurrency system, a user wallet or account address has a public key while the private key is known only to the owner and used to sign transaction. Fund transfer are completed with minimal processing fees, allowing user to avoid the step fees charged by banks and financial institute wire transfer. Disadvantage: the semi-anonymous nature of cryptocurrency transaction makes them well suited for a host of illegal activities such as money laundering and tax evasion. However, cryptocurrency advocates often highly value their anonymity, citing benefit of privacy like protection for whistleblowers or activities living under representative government. Some cryptocurrency are more private than others. Bitcoin, for instance, is a relatively poor choice for conducting illegal business online, since for insider analysis of the Bitcoin blockchain has helped authorities to arrest and prosecute criminals. More privacy oriented coins do exist, however, such as Dash, Monero, or Zcash, which are far more difficult to trace.